paper engineers, there's an absolute need right now.
Your parents aren't going to understand it.
It's a mind-blowing field.
You've never heard of paper science or paper engineering, and you've taken advantage of it for years. Okay, you started out in a diaper. Paper engineers are never bored.
Big toys everywhere.
The biggest engines and machines on the planet are producing paper.
A lot of people are starting to think about retirement.
If you get a paper engineering degree, there's a job waiting for you.
And you're going to have your choice between 3 to 5 serious job offers.
Is paper going to change? Yes. And guess what? If you want to join the paper industry, you can help us change with it.
My department added a new major called bioprocess engineering.
If you have knowledge about biomaterials, then you have a future. That's rocket science.
It's an industry that is renewable, it's sustainable. Our resource doesn't disappear at some point in the next 50 years.
We have been the greenest industry for the longest amount of time. How could we exist as a paper industry without our trees, our air, and our water?
In North America, our treasure is on top of the ground. Our forest resources are immense.
For every tree we cut down, we plant 3.
Hey, we'll give you money to pick up our degree. It'll only take you another semester. What about it? And I said, sure, money to go to school.
What's the downside? Like any engineering program, this is rigorous.
The scholarship from my college, you have to keep it 3.25. I mean, if you want the full scholarship, and you have to work for that.
Oh, you start out at the highest salaries.
Paper science is right there at the top.
It's unbelievable.
Where else can you work in an industry that harvests sustainably a totally renewable resource like wood and then converts it with an amazingly efficient process into things that every citizen needs to be well educated, well communicated, hygienic, and comfortable?
It's as hot and as sexy and as current and as technologically driven as you could ever imagine. Tell every friend you know and every parent that you meet that you're going to be a paper engineer in the future, and they will say, I've never heard of that job title. And you will say, it's been around for 100 years.